countdown begins. The stage is set. Get ready for a journey to experience the best of both worlds. A magnificent blend of the pristine environment, ideal for contemplation and creativity, and state-of-the-art technology and facilities. IIT Kharagpur of the new millennium. In one sense, IIT Kharagpur is a child of history. In another sense, it is an architect of a new India as envisaged by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. IIT Kharagpur started with 208 undergraduates, 12 research scholars and 42 teachers. That was history. Now we are on the pages of the present with 9,800 students and 575 faculty members. But only numbers are no benchmark of an institute's excellence. Its performance speaks, and there IIT plays a very significant role, taking an interdisciplinary approach with a rare combination of science, technology, medicine and management. Apart from regular science and technology departments, IIT Kharagpur has branched out in various directions: cryogenic engineering, ocean engineering and naval architecture, industrial engineering and management, Rajiv Gandhi School of Intellectual Property Law, agricultural and food engineering, computer science and engineering, School of Medical Science and Technology, School of Water Resources, Rajendra Mishra School of Engineering Entrepreneurship, Vinod Gupta School of Management. A symbol of independent India, IIT Kharagpur sharply focuses on research facilities with avant-garde laboratories for constant innovation. In recent years, the institute has a credit list of a few technological innovations. These innovations are unique examples of student-faculty participation. In some, the projects have been successfully implemented only by the students. Heart Sound Analyzer, an indigenous development for low-cost primary detection of cardiac disorder. Expertise in special advanced chip design and CAD for VLSI. Expertise in MEMS design and fabrication. A lab on a city, multiple tests with just one drop of blood. Underwater vehicle, participated in international event. Solar-powered aircraft for general surveillance and disaster management. Artificial heart, no donor needed, replacement of the failed natural heart. Filter to ensure arsenic-free water. Indian silkworms silk, silk-based engineered biomaterials used as advanced material for tissue engineering and regenerative medicine applications. Formula Car, a technological endeavor implemented entirely by the students of IIT Kharagpur. Today, IIT Kharagpur has got 109 patents in last few years. The institute is also moving towards green technology and renewable energy. IIT Kharagpur has its own agricultural and food engineering department that offers technologies for modernization of rice mills, post-harvest processing of grains, vegetables and fruits, technologies for precision agriculture and water harvesting and tea processing. No wonder getting top honors has always been a matter of habit for IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur's vision is to produce global leaders in science, technology, management and medicine, to extend boundaries of knowledge in frontier areas of national and international relevance, to be amongst the top technology-based institutions in the world in next decade. Today, IIT Kharagpur has a self-contained campus. Major initiatives have been taken to augment the campus infrastructure to create facilities comparable to the best in the world. The institute goes beyond classrooms, offering hands-on R&D experience. Faculty interaction enriches a curious mind. And beyond academics, you name it, and it's there. Be it entertainment, expression of literary, cultural talent, sports, the works. The new Gymkhana is a platform of expressions of students in diverse disciplines. The student subcommittees organize musical events, illumination contests, a memorable and eagerly awaited inter-hall competition. The Spring Fest is a grand annual event. The annual Techno Management Fest of the Institute that promotes technology and entrepreneurship. There are more than meets the eye. The rest one has to experience firsthand. Missing IIT Kharagpur is like missing the flavor of a fantastic fraternity.